Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on AliExpress. So what you need to do is you go to your AliExpress or you click on AliExpress. This is it. This is your interface. Then you're going to do is click on your account here. Then you click on the settings here. Then you come to this. Click on your profile picture. And this is it. Just come here and click on account information. So now you can see this is where you're going to see your phone number change here. But I think the phone number is not allowed to be linked for my country here. So if your country is allowed to link your phone number, you're going to see your phone number here. Just click on your phone number, put in the phone number you wanted to use. Then you're going to go to the other processes. Then you'll be able to put your phone number or change your phone number through this process. Just come to your account information. Then you're going to see if you are able to add your phone number here on AliExpress. I think it's due to every country. So what we say, currently now Nigeria is not allowed to add their phone number on AliExpress app. So that's why I wasn't able to add my phone number here. So once you're able to add your phone number, when you're able to add your phone number, you just go to the same process to change your phone number. So guys, if you found this video helpful, drop the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.